At the Manufacturing and Engineering program at Ferris State University, students will learn to use a wide variety of machines and technology. Today, we're going to focus on the vertical knee mill. This is Webby. Webby is a student in the program at Ferris and is going to show us the different mills that are used for this specific machine, the end mill and the face mill. First one up is the 3/4 inch high-speed steel end mill, which has 4 flutes built in. Applying coolant helps reduce aluminum chip buildup in the mill. The quarter mill puts in tool paths that still result in flatness. Next up is the 2-inch indexable square shoulder face mill, which has 3 carbide inserts. The square shoulder face mill can cover a larger surface, can take a larger depth of cut to get a much smoother surface than the steel end mill. All these tools and more can be found and used at the Ferris State University's Manufacturing and Engineering program.